Hi, Lisa from Less Stuff here. Welcome to my garden in the springtime. Apologies for the washing in the background. I'm hoping to catch the sunshine and dry them off before it starts raining. I'm going to talk to you about this book that I have co-written with 3 other experts. It's called Spring into Action. It's available on all our websites and you can download it. So it's a whopping great big 72 pages, but you don't need to print off all the pages. You can read what you want to read on the internet and you can just print off the worksheets, of which there are lots. So, where should we start? Week 1 is all about sorting your sleep out. And every week comes with, if I can find it, it should be there, a sleep tracker. Here we go. So you get a sleep tracker and a water tracker. And these amazing little illustrations were done by my mum. And they work really well. I love them. You just colour in a little row on the vase for every time you drink a glass of water. And you find that you are drinking water without really thinking about it, and you end up with a pretty picture. It's all good. My sleep tracker is really messy because I'm a messy kind of a person, but that's okay because I can just print off the one page and I'm not messing up an entire book. So it's not like you've gone and spent, I don't know, some money on a book in Smiths or something and you feel like you've ruined it because you've made it messy. It's okay to be messy. So week 1 is all about sleep and water. Week 2 is about spring cleaning. Now we are not talking about spring cleaning that is impossible. We're talking about really breaking it down and making it nice and easy. And I've made it so easy that in here somewhere, if I can find it, you can print off a little game. You know those, oh, what are they called? Oh, I can't grab the word now, but the things that you do that with, you know what I'm talking about. Well, you can do one of those and make a cleaning game. So it's fine for adults. If you've got kids, it's good too. You could always invent your own if you preferred. And we've got in here loads of recipes for natural cleaning products. So if you're worried that there is a ban on wet wipes coming up soon in the UK, it doesn't matter because you can find a new way of cleaning in here. I've got a nice big chart of different cleaning products and what they're good for, so that's a really handy one. You can just print that out and keep it. And we've got a little bit of decluttering in here because that's my area of expertise. Every week has a water and sleep check-in, and every week has a new sleep tracker. Right, week 3 is about growing your own, and you do not need a garden to do this. We've got instructions so you can grow on your windowsill, and you can grow from leftovers. If you look back in the video, I'll actually link to it. You will be able to see that you can grow celery from the end of a celery. It's nuts. And right over there in the background, somewhere behind the apple tree, is my celery plant, and it's been there all winter. It's doing really happily, and I occasionally use the tops and make a kind of pesto with it. We've also talked about foraging. So no need to buy food even, and we've got some detailed instructions on how to find decent things to forage, and we've looked at some seasonal recipes. So if you want to know how to use up your cauliflower, we've got some ideas. Another sleep tracker. Week 4 is includes this amazing upcycled crossbody bag. Now I will attempt to show you mine, but it is huge. I didn't do mine out of denim. I did mine out of some curtain fabric I had. I'm going to have to come in front of the camera to show you. It's huge, it's enormous, and it's beautiful, and it's all yellow. And it's the first time I've used these snaps. They work really, really well. Full instructions for that are in the book. Thank you, Vicky Myers, for that one. And a little bit, see, full and detailed instructions, step by step. And she's included some of this borrow stitching, which is really fashionable at the moment. I haven't done any on my bag, but you could do some on yours if you wanted. Let me just skip through. We're going to find that week 4 is also about self-care and mindfulness and looking after yourself. We've got some stress busters. We've got a gratitude journal. Oh, there's all sorts in here. There's loads of different ways to make spring into something that is a lot easier than you think it might be. Right, so this book is written with Claire from the Frugal family. She's a wellbeing expert. Me from Less Stuff, I write about gentle decluttering and easy ways to live a simple life. And Vicky Myers, who is our upcycling expert. with lots of expertise from Candida Mum, who has written most of the water and drink section. I know that she found that when she sorted her sleeping and drinking out, it really made a difference to how she felt. So that is Spring into Action. It's available on all our websites, so you can pick a favourite, and you can choose to buy from me at Let's Stuff, Claire at the Frugal Family, or Vicky Myers at Vicky Myers Creations. It's a great book. I'm really, really proud of it. I think we did a good job, and we're finding that the little things in it, there's nothing in here that's daunting. It's all easy little things that you can do. So even if you bought it and just tried one thing, you're going to make a difference to your life, and you're going to make a difference to the environment, because that's what we're all about. Thanks for listening. Bye.